Ed-E Druckmann, Ed-E Druckmann. Listen to him on your iPod. That's right, on your iPod. Ed-E Druckmann, Ed-E Druckmann. No, not Bachman, we said Druckmann. And you shall laugh even longer and harder than when you saw Jennifer Lopez in Monster in Law. And now Ed-E Druckmann.
Hello, this is Ed-E Druckmann, and when I'm not befriending outcasts and miscreants on the fringes of society, otherwise known as Republicans still in Congress, I'm bringing you the news! Comedian Dane Cook has come under fire by Rolling Stone. The magazine claims he's just not funny. In a related note, Rolling Stone also accused singer Andrea Bocelli of just riding on the sunglasses of such greats as Ray Charles and Jose Feliciano. Since Bocelli doesn't wear sunglasses, I'm as confused as you are on that comparison, unless you count this picture. Can't get enough of OJ doing his low-speed version of The Fugitive. How about Michael Jackson when he only dangled his own kids out of windows instead of sleeping with other people's? The pop-up book of celebrity meltdowns features pop-up renderings of those moments, plus Mike Tyson whispering sweet nothings in Evander Holyfield's ear while it's in his mouth, Kate Moss doing cocaine, and, of course, Paris Hilton doing her boyfriend. Which provokes the question, if Paris is going down, can it still be considered a pop-up? MySpace, formerly known as the place for pedophiles, has a new title, the place for death row inmates. 34 inmates awaiting execution have MySpace profiles. No, make that 33. MySpace Chief Security Officer Himanshu Nigam responded by saying that the site offers free software to prisons that will block access by inmates, so, quote, not one additional dollar would have to be spent by the justice system to keep these individuals out of our community. Nigam went on to say the software, combined with MySpace having more bugs in its code than the NSA has on phone lines, pretty much guarantees by the time visitors actually get to these profiles, the prisoners will all be dead anyway.
Hi, I'm Wheelchair Bob. Or you can call me El Presidente.
Okay, we're here with Wheelchair Bobby, who is going to tell us how the American public really feels about George Bush. So, Bobby, when you ventured forth into the mall that is America, and you presented yourself as George Bush, at any time, did people think that you were insane?
Well, a cop did call me a psychopath.
Oh, really?
But
Oh, that's a quite a reaction.
a couple people came up to me and asked me if I was carrying anything.
I would have thought that the wheelchair business would kind of like work to your advantage on this project, kind of like it did for FDR.
Right. Well, I thought it would, but
really,
finally they made me take off my mask.
Oh, they really preferred talking to Bobby rather than W.
Right, they thought it was a little strange.
A little strange. Well, I can sympathize with that. But, you know, after seeing the pictures of Britney and her gynecological examination on the net, I would think that we were kind of used to things that were strange these days.
I know that was a weird picture, but it was,
I'm afraid it's getting more hits than we do, but...
Yeah.
So did anybody have any reactions about, you know, Laura's underwear or which one of the twins they thought was hotter?
Well, a bunch of people like Barbara.
Really? Bobby,
but
come on.
Let's just say Barbara Bush seems like, from what I hear, she's a pretty cool party girl.
Well, I'm sure that she leads a rich, full life. Are there any lessons that you can draw from your experience as George Wheelchair Bush?
Well,
No?
the American people don't seem comfort with the way Bush is running the country.
It's not working then. So you know, it didn't help you pick up women, get free pretzels, any of that?
Well, I'm not going to talk about that because I was a presidential guy, and I don't think they talk about it.
Oh, okay.
But I just want everybody to know I did okay.
Well, I guess you did. I'm sure you did. Yes, as we can see from the clips that you've sent to us. Okay, Bobby, thank you very much.
Thank you.
There you have it. America speaks when it can be persuaded to, and George Wheelchair Bush listened. Until next time, I leave you with this from Ms. Britney Spears.
Okay, that was it.
Now there's a fun mom. This has been Eddie Druckmann on the web where no one is safe, not even me. Now for God's sake, go out and play. It's nice outside. Get some fresh air. Yeah.
Eddie Druckmann, Eddie Druckmann. Listen to him on your iPod. That's right, on your iPod. Eddie Druckmann, Eddie Druckmann. No, not Bachman, we said Druckmann. And you shall laugh even longer and harder than when you saw Jennifer Lopez in Monster-in-Law. And now Eddie Druckmann.